So I've made 2,900 and I've withdrawn 4,000 naira, I've withdrawn 1,000, I've withdrawn thousands, right, from this platform. As you can see, I have 287 WhatsApp income alone. Just WhatsApp income is 287.8 naira, right? I don't have Facebook income, I don't have TikTok income, I don't have Instagram income, right? Right? They are 00000, right? That means just by connecting your WhatsApp alone, you can cash out thousands. Someone who referred me has withdrawn more than 5 times. Like, this is crazy, guys. So basically, you just have to make sure that your WhatsApp status is active, right? Now, look here. You have to watch this video, this tutorial video, to understand how to link your WhatsApp, right? How to link your WhatsApp, or you switch to the Instagram and login tutorial to watch how to link to your Instagram. But looks like at the moment the platform doesn't have Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok logins yet. But you just have to watch out for more updates from them. Okay, so now, right? I'm going to In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to actually sign up correctly and link your WhatsApp account correctly. Mind you guys, the reason they're asking you to link your WhatsApp is because they need a lot of followers on their WhatsApp channel. So they are using your account to follow their status, their WhatsApp channel, right? So we're here now. I just pasted the link right in my browser, right? So we're here. We're going to sign up shortly. This does not require any investment at all. You earn up to 200,000 naira monthly. No investment, guys. No investment is required for you to earn money on this platform. Let me highlight that no investment required. So you don't have to bother your head like, oh, how much is the minimum deposit? There's nothing like that. There's no option. This is Meta's social platform. GoShare invites you to claim a monthly salary of 50,000 naira. You can earn more than that, guys. So no investment is required. So don't bother yourself about your investing or that. I don't like all this online investment because I don't like putting my money in Ponzi. I don't I don't suggest Ponzi to anybody close to me, right? Okay, so now you are going to register your account by inputting your phone number, your email address, your password, and agree, and click on next, agree, and next, right? So if you already have an account, you can log in, but to sign up, you basically have to input this. Now, each phone number can only be registered once. Don't be deceived that you're going to use one phone number to register more than one time, right? Please save and remember your password, right? Okay. All right. So these are the steps to make money. You can actually watch this short 18 seconds tutorial video to find out more about the platform. Now, this is your advantage. Your advantage. No experience is required. No experience is required, right? Whether you are unemployed, full-time employee, housewife, you don't have to um, be experienced. You don't have to be experienced. Now, no investment is required. No requirement at all. Just your WhatsApp account. Just one WhatsApp account. Now, no time commitment. You can earn 10,000 naira. You can earn 3,000 naira. There are over millions of users in 17 countries all over the world, guys, that are already on this. Okay, so don't be left behind, guys. Now let's quickly register an account. I'll input my phone number right now. Just quickly input my phone number. I just have to cover my details, right, for security reasons, right? I just inputted my phone number. Now I'm going to briefly put in my email. You can create another email if you made a mistake on your previous account, right? You just have to create another email, right? So I'm going to be using one of my emails, my random emails, to register for this. Okay, I'll just put in my password. All right, now click on next. Just click on next. Make sure all your details are the ones that you can remember, right? Make sure you remember all your details. Click on next. Now our registration is successful. Now we've gotten 100 naira for registration. Complete your novice task, unlock all your functions, and earn more income. Click on login to WhatsApp, right? Login to WhatsApp, and we have gotten 100 naira for signing up to the platform, right? So we have it is recommended to use Google Chrome. Turn on your translation towards automatically translate English into your local language. That is if you do not understand English, right? Now the first task is done, which is signing up on the platform. Now we proceed to what answer what simple what questionnaires. Now we click on check, right? Now you will answer these questions. They say they will customize the money making plan for you, right? So now, where did you know about GoShare? Recommended by friends or family? Did you know that you can earn money doing simple tasks? Yes, I know. Do you have or know USDT for payments? I know USDT and I have an account. I've used it. Right? How old are you? You can check any age at all. Right? Okay. So I might even go and check 36 to 45 years old. What is your current occupation? Student, right? How much do you earn per month? I just checked 200,000. Okay. Your gender, I just checked woman. And click on submit. Click on submit. Click on submit. When you're done, anything, just put a random, just as long as you're able to fill out the questionnaire and submit. That's just basically what they want. All right. So you've done that, and all right. Click on receive. Click on receive. All right. You have what 71 hours left for this task to expire. If this task expires, you're not getting this exclusive new users bonus again. So make sure that you complete this your 900 to make it 1000 within the time frame of 18 days. Right? The more you complete, the more the days reduce. Right? So if you go to invite, you'll find out that you get a whooping sum of what 3,800 naira for just one person, right? Just pack your friends. Imagine invite 100 persons, you're getting 380,000 naira. That's massive, baby. Just click on copy. Either of the links are valid, guys. Even if they use the link 1 or link 2, it's still valid. This is where your affiliate commissions and level size your friends will appear. Now you get 600 naira for 24 hours of activeness of um your referrals, and just like that you're earning for having your WhatsApp linked and for referring your friends. Now click on login into WhatsApp. Let's click on login to WhatsApp. Now please choose your WhatsApp login method that suits you. Please select one of the following methods below. You link with QR code, that is if you need another phone, okay, or a friend's help, or you link with phone number instead. I practically prefer linking to phone with phone number, okay, because if you're using the same phone to link it, right, the same phone to link it, then you have to use your phone number. But if you want to use another phone, you're using this phone to register, for instance, and you want to use another phone to link your WhatsApp, you can use another phone for it. Or if you want to link it to your desktop, that is your laptop, right? So just input your WhatsApp number. Make sure your country code is showing there. Now click on get after inputting your WhatsApp number. Okay. Right. So we are going to type that. Just typed my phone number. Now click on get. Just click on get. Just click on get. After inputting your number, click on get. So you have 150 something seconds left to complete this task, right? So open your WhatsApp on your phone and tap on link with phone number instead. Enter this code as a code in your phone on your WhatsApp, right? I just opened my WhatsApp. All right, sorry, I have to cover my details, my right. So now you click on these three buttons, these three dots, right? Click there. Okay. Now click on link devices. Click on linked devices. Click on linked devices. Now link a device. Click on link a device. Use mobile data. That is if you're not connected to a Wi-Fi. Use mobile data. And click on link with phone number instead. This thing I'm just highlighting now. Link with phone number instead. Link with phone number instead. All right. Now go to that site, switch to that site to copy your code and paste it there, or just type it in manually. Type it manually. If you can't copy, just type it manually. So I'm just going to cram it. LVTY 4DWC. LVTY 4VWC, right? LVTY 4DWC. Logging in, you see, It's as simple as that. The reason why it's taking time is because I'm talking and at the same time doing it, right? Otherwise, in less than 1 minute, in fact, in less than, let's say, 3 minutes max, you have finished all your registration. It didn't take me up to anything. Now, you see, your Google Chrome Windows, right, has been linked. Being successful, and you need to stay for at least 1 minute to be eligible for this bonus, right? Now, our status is now online. We are now online. Our status is now online. We have successfully registered, and our account balance is 100 naira for signing up. 100 naira bonus has been given us, right? Now, initiate withdrawal. You can initiate withdrawal from here, or first of all, you click on receiving account. Click on receiving account. Now you enter your what? Your name, your account name, your bank name, and your bank account, right? So I'm just going to put that shortly, right? I'm just going to input that, and right, I just put. Now you can select OPay or Pampi, anyone you have. Okay, those are the two accounts that are accepted here. So if you have a friend that is not using this platform, you can borrow their number, or a family member that you can trust. All right. Now you click on submit when you're done. That is how you bind your account number first. You bind your account number first so that you can withdraw at any time. But I couldn't do that. I didn't want to do that right now. So this is where you find your revenue record and your withdrawal record. So now let's initiate withdrawal and see. Let's see. Okay, minimum withdrawal is 1,000. You can withdraw up to any amount. Now, withdrawal amount 1,000. Fee for your first sign up, for your first withdrawal fee is 0%. All right. Subsequently, they'll charge 10%, and you're going to be receiving 1,000 naira. When you're done, you click on submit. All right. See, withdrawal needs to be bound to a bank account. For the first withdrawal, you withdraw if you meet the requirement of 1,000. After applying for withdrawal, the money will be transferred to the account within 72 hours. Follow their official Telegram channel if you want to be accelerated to 48 hours. Right? Just wait patiently. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. It does not even take up to 1 minute for withdrawals to drop. It doesn't take up to 1 minute. You can click there, click on this Telegram icon, click on this Telegram icon if you want to contact them for registration login problem, withdrawal problem, invite a friend problem, and so on and so forth. Right. So that is their support contact. Now you can withdraw 3,300, you can withdraw any amount. This is one up to 110,000 naira from this platform. 110,000. This is no jokes, guys. All right. Okay, so you can withdraw any amount of money. Just make sure that you reach the money right, all right, before you place your withdrawal. Now let's go to our home and see what we have there. Okay, yeah. Let's go back to this our new users bonus to complete the bonus. So we're here now. Let's click on receive for the questionnaire that we completed, and our login to WhatsApp, right? You received 50 naira and 200 naira success, right? So basically, let's navigate other ones. Let's check view platform introduction. So here you have to study their introduction very well to make sure that you do not make any mistakes. Study these things very, very well. Now click on next. Let's click on next. Make sure you follow all the steps and click on all the steps. Click on next. Allow the countdown to read. You click on next just like that. Make sure you check everything out before you go back. Otherwise, you will not receive your money, right? So now click on next again. Now inviting friends to join Goshare platform can earn you 1,000 naira. The friends you invite, see complete task bonus 1,200 naira, registration bonus, blah blah blah. Just study it, just check it out for yourself, right? Let's click on next again, and this is how to do it. This is the last one. Click on next again, and success. Our data has been sent. And we click on receive to receive it again, right? Yes, we've gotten that one. Now, after 15 minutes, our WhatsApp online is going to be checked, right? After 15 minutes, we'll come back and check that one. Now, invite your friend to get 100 naira and initiate a withdrawal request to get another 100 naira. So far, we've accumulated 350 naira. We are short of 650 naira to withdraw our first withdrawal, all right? And we have 13 days left to do that. Okay, so that is basically how to complete your task and get your first withdrawal at an instant. Okay, so all right, so let's check out other things that you have to take note of in this platform. as long as your WhatsApp is disconnected, you cannot earn from this platform. This is for your uninterrupted in online. They pay you this amount of money. As long as your WhatsApp is disconnected, the cumulative income online will be cleared. I've been active for 9 minutes since I was registered on this account, right? So I've not met the 24 hours online requirement, right? So if you're active for this X number of hours, you get this amount of monies. Okay, so that is basically how it works, right? That's basically how it works. But that's not just the only way to earn, right? You get 3,800 naira for just one person. Just one person. 3,800 naira. That's huge, baby. Very huge. Imagine having 100 persons as your referrals, right? 100 persons. It's not a big deal as long as it pays. That is it. As long as it pays. So I'm just going to tap out to log out of my this. Don't try this, please. Don't try this. I already have an account, so I don't want to use this particular account for it. I don't want to use this, so I've just disconnected my WhatsApp. That's basically how to disconnect your WhatsApp. Okay, so let's go back to the platform to see what we have there. All right, so yeah, let's go back to our home. We have 400 naira balance. Let's go back to our home to see what will happen. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back to where we had our online. Now you see, Goshare finds that your WhatsApp is offline during the earning period. Now, rental account requirements, WhatsApp needs to be online for a long time, right? For a long time. You violate the regulations again, your balance could be cleared, right? You're offline, so I'm actually offline right now. That's because I already have an account and I don't want to have more than one account on the platform. All the best, guys.